inside the house. Just going to do a quick run through here. Okay, and turn around to the living room area. And he has all this, all this platters and stuff for all the old horse show trophies, most of them. Here's a view out the window. And there's the living room, fireplace, all the old hunt pictures. That was a real fox. And this is a painting done of the farm. One bedroom. I think each bedroom has 2 closets and a full bath. Closet number 1, closet number 2, and another full bathroom. Bedroom. View of the barn from the bedroom. And we can go out. You want to go out this way? Yeah.
Yeah, you probably haven't gone out there.
Yeah, I haven't yet.
Okay.
I'll go out on the little porch. Back porch. What was that?
Utility. Well, it's got the hot water heater. Got a tile floor in there. Storage room, I guess.
Okay.
Pretty decent size.
Storage room. Water heater. Oh yeah. Okay. So this used to be the riding ring,
Yeah,
right here. Nice and level and sandy, and I like it. We'll have to make it the riding ring again.
Yeah, that'd be good.
And I'll have to look at all the stalls again.
Oh, yeah. That's fine. These doors slide closed.
It's a neat old barn.
Yeah, it is. It is. Structurally, it seems like it's pretty well built.
Yeah. Oh, I like the fact that it's block. You know, with the stalls and all that. Okay.
So you want to look back in that stall or two?
Yeah, I'll just get a view of a stall. Well, I'm sure they're all about the same.
I would think.
They all have the, you know, the board around, the saddlebreds. And they're certainly big enough for ponies.
Yeah.
You know. He's got wire up, man. They're not getting through anything here.
Yeah.
Fans in every stall.
Looks
Yeah.
like it, yeah, fans.
Fans coming right down. And not a horse bed in here since '02. Is that what he said?
That's what he said, yeah. I thought he'd had some in here at least once. And automatic waterers.
Yeah, that's right. He did say they were automatic waterers,
Yeah,
right?
they're in each stall too.
Each stall has automatic waterers.
He said he had those set up for the studs.
Yeah, let's see what they get. No light. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, no windows for the studs. I love how they're built.
I do too.
This isn't coming down.
I don't think so.
This isn't coming down at all. Alright. We'll take a little view of the office.
Yeah.
And the wash rack and all that. Okay, so a little office. And it's got a bathroom. Right, he said this was a full bath?
It said it had a shower, I think.
Oh yeah, it really does. Alright.
Do you want to go out there again, or?
I'll finish the barn and then I'll head out there.
Okay.
And I'll take a look at the wash rack here. He's got this set up really neat.
Yeah, he was really into it when he was.
Yeah, I mean he really does have it set up.
Yep.
Neat.
Yep.
Yeah, they don't do it anymore like these old guys, you know. Not at all. Okay. And here's one little tack room. that's the other tack room. I mean, you can really feel the temperature difference in here. Big difference. That it stays nice and cool when it's hot. So I believe him when he says nothing mildews.
Yeah.
Because my stuff, forget it, man. I have to get on it twice a day. And I'll go back here, and no, the tractor does not come with the place, and we cannot buy it either. But he said he can find us a tractor.
Yeah, he said he'd help find one.
And these,
Let's see.
this was the area that he said he would close off and train his young, or not the young ones, but the thoroughbreds off the track.
Right, full close right here.
Yeah.
This is well, yeah, tool room.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Tool room. He said that this was what, for shavings?
Did he move the
There we go.
There
Yeah,
we go.
I got it now. Oh, it's just another. It's just partitioned off. Storage room. Okay.
Lots of room.
Yeah, plenty of room. Oh, okay. This was where. This is the wash rack, right here.
Down here.
Yeah. Wow.
Oops,
Don't
I
leave.
got-
Is there a light?
I see him. I just don't.
There should be a light. I'm sure there is. We're just not seeing
Yeah.
it.
Wait, here's a switch out here.
Oh. Yep, that's it. Okay. Wash rack it is. Alrighty. And this is just more storage in here,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, you could just take out that partition and have yourself a little indoor.
Yeah, you could.
You really could if you're desperate enough.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And he said that these were grain silos.
Grain bins, yeah.
Yeah.
So I guess he'd have
Huh.
feed brought in.
Yeah. That's a lot of feed.
Yeah.
Well, he had a lot of
What
horses.
do you say, 1,000 bushels?
Oh, yeah.
I think.
And so this is the property line. It just runs
Well,
right.
I think that this. He said these were included. Paddock areas.
These paddock areas are
Right.
included.
So it goes to the back side of that, and then down that fence line, and up that fence line.
Down that fence line.
Right
Oh,
over
okay.
here. I'll show
And
you
then
when we
and
get
then
down
up
there.
that fence line. And
Yeah.
this is the lane
That's the lane right through there.
that they use for the fox hunting.
Mhm.
Okay. Forgot to video this. 7 stalls on the outside that were broodmare stalls. They have movable partitions to make them bigger if necessary. More storage. More storage. Oh, look at that. More storage.
Well, light in it too. He puts lights everywhere.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Lighting is good.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can put whatever.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so this was. Oh, okay. This is the
You
little.
go in the hole this way.
Okay. bunkhouse, yeah. Well, I mean, it's great for, you know, guests or help or,
Yeah.
you know. Okay, we'll just do a quick. And kitchen. Yeah. That's all right. There we go.
It's been a while. Those colors may come back.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Wait.
What was it, avocado?
Yeah, I don't know what you would call it, but full bath. And let's see, bedroom here. And that's it. There's the light here. Alright. Okay. That's the entrance to this. And the barn is this way. And back into the office. Close. Okay.
What are you majoring in Georgia Tech?
I'm in the paralegal program.
Okay.
Yeah. So, I have my bachelor's degree, but it hasn't done me any good. So I'm doing something else now.
So I graduated last May with a business administration degree and just hadn't done anything yet either.
There goes. Yeah,
That's okay.
it's difficult out there right now.
Yeah.
You know, the only reason we're making money is because of the body shop. So, which, you know, that's my other half.
Okay.
So, actually, he's doing pretty good, I gotta say.
Yeah.
Considering. Okay, so this is the other building that was a makeshift barn, I guess.
The shed on the outside end down there, he told me he could circle around and pull his trailer in without having to back it in, which is kind of nice, he said.
Well, yeah, I mean, you could use this for several different things. Oh, yeah. The other little tack on. That's alright, you don't have to worry about it. I can see it. Okay, so 2 stalls there.
Yeah,
And this was,
this
this is kind of like the little run-in, right?
Yeah.
That he was using when they were out in the field.
But he had the gates all set up where he could close off different pastures. And
Yeah. hasn't been that long.
Too long, right?
And I love the little dog kennel.
Yeah, it's nice.
That's great. That is perfect. My dogs will hate me, but you know. And he said that's heated and everything?
Well, I think,
Or that it was?
I'm not sure if it still is.
Their little house?
Yeah, so they got separate entrances for either side.
Yeah.
Water's in there.
Yeah. That's so neat. Gotta have a place for the hound.
Oh yeah.
And then this is the lane.
Yeah,
Right.
we'll take a ride down the fence line there so you can get it.
They'll probably come.
But then we can drive in 15 minutes and be at one in Sherall or Laurinburg or
Right, yeah.
Dillon. But he's gonna keep. He said what's inside that fence will go with the property, his home property, and the barns, and what's over here on this side. He's gonna keep all this.
He's keeping all this. Yeah. Okay. But the hunt will be coming through here.
Well, I guess occasionally they do it.
I think that's neat.
Yeah.
That'd be so cool, having a hunt coming through your backyard.
I thought so too.
Of course, my ponies would be like, "What is going on?"
What this used to be was an old train bed or train track for that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's built up like this.
Huh. That must have been quite a long time ago.
Yeah, it's been a number of years. He purchased it.
Well, he said it took him 50 years to purchase all the property around here.
Yeah, he's been doing it for a while. Of course, the line would be right in this area here with this tree line.
Right. It looks like it stays pretty dry.
There's a stop right down in the center of the ditch. I don't know if you can see that.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I would think the drainage is pretty good. This looks to be the lowest end.
Yeah, right here.
And there's a big enough ditch, I would think it would drain pretty well.
Yeah.
I'll show you this over here, just so you'll know what's out here. But this is his little ponds, water holes.
That's nice.
Looks like he owns property here and across the road, and he sold.
He sold what's across the road. Right. That's what he sold. Oh yeah.
Yeah, he sold some of that. He still owns some on that side, but he sold for this. Griffin built this home down here, and then there's another home. You can't see it much right there. Oh, that's Joe Hyde. That's the guy who's got horses over there too.
The quarter horses.
Yeah.
Ugh, I'd like to just come out here and ride.
Yeah.
Ugh. I'm sure he wouldn't care.
No, he wouldn't.
As long as there was horses, he wouldn't care.
I'm sure you can get the notation from him on that.
Nice, and I like the fact that there's some hills and
And like he was saying, this house he kept a 66-foot wide right of way on the right hand side for their fox hunts, and also on the other side of that lot, kind of near that other house, he's kept a 66-foot right of way, so they can come right through.
Just for the hunts. it'd all be like this. Yeah, you can. I think you can. It's open right there. Nice and quiet out here.
Mm-hmm.
I like
Very
that.
Nice. Anywhere else you want to go out here?
Just like in front of the house, I guess, if
We'll
you can do
drive up in
that.
that other field and you can get a view
Okay.
from that angle too.
Yeah, I like this road. It's a very farmy kind of road.
Mm-hmm. This is where you just had that line, that 2-inch line run from where the county water comes into that fire hydrant, which that helps with insurance rates out here too.
Okay.
The fire hydrant. He did say he just had that unit put in last year, didn't he?
Yes, the brand new heating and cooling system.
Check this property disclosure. The roof looks fairly recent. I'd check that for you.
Okay. And you said that's about 1,500 square feet?
Yeah, I think it's just under 1,500.
Okay. Okay, I'm standing out in the far end of the field and it's dry as a bone out here. The property line. I walked in the other field too, that's dry. Very sandy.